What's going on? What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Mr. MMO, Mr. MC. Let's go. I know I started the intro already, where the video already started. Well, let me just say this. I started the intro in the, I won't say the middle part, I guess in the middle part or the beginning in the middle, but I didn't start in the beginning. But just want to let y'all know, before we get back into watching this, I'm going to be doing a series of this game. I actually like this app. And I had a link below the description of the promotion that they promote, and that's NEXO. NEXO is a cryptocurrency. It's free to join. You can add money in there, or I can have a link below the description where you can make money and then you can dump it in there. Well, actually, just I had a link below the description. Don't worry about any other links. If you want to join other links, join it to earn money. But I'll show a video soon. I don't know how soon, but one day of showing. I got sleep. Showing that you can transfer PayPal money into Bitcoin and all that stuff. It's showing basically you can switch your free PayPal cash and then switch it over to Bitcoin and pretty much any cryptocurrency wallet like NEXO. So it's your boy Mr. Mimo, Mr. MC. Let's go. Let's get back to it. All right. Yeah, so it's basically like a little halftime. Every time like a little commercial come on, I do a little bit of talking. But on this round, I just want to talk about the online money making talk. Now, for the newbies and people that's been on and making money online that watch my channel, and let's say you are making money and you just like watching my channel, that's cool. But this is mainly this is for anybody, but this is mainly for the people that been doing the searching and jumping in different multiple programs and trying to figure out how to make a dollar or keep making a living or make some income. Basically do part-time or full-time making money online. What I would mainly say, like anybody else would say that would say this, that either doing what I'm doing in my shoes or on my level or above or a little bit under me. Keep going, be consistent, and if you kind of fall off track, excuse me, at the same time, if you fall off track, just basically be consistent when you get back on track, and then don't ever give up, basically. So, and when I used to hear that all the time, like same kind of similar things that I just told you guys, you guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen that watch this video, whenever you watch it, I will always probably be like some of you people, some of you folks, man, whatever. I still don't understand how you doing it, because I was the same way watching a lot of people when I first got in this industry of making money online, no matter if it's paid or free ways to earn cash from home or anywhere on the internet. And basically, I just never gave up, man. And I love the fact that I never did give up, because I learned a lot. And that's why I'm giving back. Some people have $5,000 to $1,000 courses where they teach you tricks and tips and stuff. I just put it right on my platform, my YouTube platform, YouTube channel, and just boom. Excuse me, but that's basically what I do, So let's get back to it.
The right place for.
So we back at it again, halftime. I just came up with that, but yeah, just don't give up. Just keep making money online. If you want to download this app, it's not a referral type based app, but if you want to download it, just download it. You know the name of the title of the YouTube video, so you should know the name. But if you don't, Punch Guys Games app. So I want to say it's for iPhones, but I'm working through Android, so iPhone and Android. So let's get back to it. Links below the description for NEXO or NEXO.
The right place for your crypto.
Okay, back to halftime. So what I like about this is it give me a little, and I'm talking about the app. It give me, not this app, I'm talking about the Punch app that I'm using. It give me a relaxation, and it's about boxing, so give me like that real life feel in a way. So it's a real smooth app. Probably one of the best apps that I can say I've been using like all day for about a few days. I want to say it 2 days. Like I said, for a few days, 2 days, but it's not a bad app. But yeah, I had a link below the description of NEXO because they keep promoting it. So definitely will have a link below the description. Let's get back to it.
The right place for your crypto. The right place for your crypto.
Yeah, I think the last round or two, I didn't, come to a timeout or to a break, whatever I called it early on. But just wanted to say that them last 2 rounds, man, I can't believe I got punched and lost both matches. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish out with a win, with a W. So I had all the links below the description. Definitely had NEXO below the description. It's your boy Mr. Mr. MC. Let's get it. Let's go. I'm out. Last match. You gonna watch a couple minutes or a couple seconds of me, training before I get into this match, man. I ain't gonna play. I'm gonna knock him out, man. Skid it. Let's go.